Hey, what is on guys? Cloud here. Shout out to everybody that helped me hit 5K subscribers. That is what I want to start this video off with because that is the whole point of this video, that I finally hit 5K subscribers, a huge milestone for anybody that does YouTube, I'm pretty sure. Thank you to everyone that supported me ever since I started uploading like more consistently. If you guys didn't know, from FW17, the Supreme season, to Spring Summer 18, I was like a really consistent uploader. And then after that, I really stopped being consistent. And then I was just kind of scared to get back into YouTube because I didn't know was I gonna get the same support again. So I was always like a bit hesitant and I was really busy. But since the quarantine started, I just grinded away at YouTube and 5K subscribers, that is crazy. And big thank you to everybody for helping me hit that. The support has been crazy ever since I made my like consistency back to the good old days, start uploading like multiple videos every week. I started a second channel recently and it's been good, it's been fun, so I really enjoyed that and thank you. So to celebrate me hitting 5K subscribers, I did decide to do a giveaway, but if you guys want any other types of videos, leave them in the comments down below and I'll see like, should I do them or not, because I kind of want to do something else too, so leave them in the comments down below if you have any ideas for like a celebration type video. But the item that I'll be giving away for this giveaway is the Supreme Pharaoh Sanders photo tee. I guess it's a photo tee, right? Size large. Obviously fully authentic and everything. This ain't a fake, right? You know I don't have any fake stuff in my collection. So this is a real Supreme item that I'm gonna give away, and this is probably the best thing that I ever done a giveaway on because it is the biggest milestone that I've hit so far. So that's why I decided to go like for a big one, and you only hit 5K once, and for some reason 5,000 feels like a really cool number, so here's the giveaway. For the giveaway, I'm going to be running it on Gleam. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys. Quick interruption, an update I'm making is that I'm actually going to be running the giveaway on Rafflecopter. It's going to be really simple. All you guys need to do is go sign up on there, and then after you sign up, putting information, all you guys need to go do is follow me on Instagram and then leave your Instagram name in the little box in the website. And that's it, you're entered in the giveaway. The next thing you can do is tweet out a little message about my giveaway on Twitter that will get you an extra entry. All you guys need to do is follow the directions, tweet it out, and then link it, and you'll get an extra entry, and that's it. And that's it for this video. Like, just a huge thank you video and announcing the giveaway, so yeah. Good luck to everybody that wants to win this t-shirt. But that's it for this video. So if you guys are excited about the giveaway, please drop me a like down below. I appreciate all likes you guys drop me. Leave in the comments down below the good vibes, because you give good vibes and karma will give you good luck, right? So shouts out to everybody in the comments down below giving away the good vibes. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you want to enter the giveaway. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Everybody's fake. Just give me a second, cause I need to get it straight. Everybody's talking, but I really can't relate. I don't even think that I can go another day. Fake smiles on a face. Wait for some